Hello friends, now we are here with my new topic data analysis with Power BI. What is data analysis with Power BI? How we can in this video how we will understand how we can analyze the data with Power BI. What are the phases of data analysis? So first of all we will go to the theory which we already know. What is data analysis with Power BI, the process of inspecting, cleaning, transforming, and modeling data in order to extract insights and make business decisions is the role of data analysis. A crucial component of business analytics is the data analysis, which involves all the report generation from identifying data sources to generate reports is the data work of a data analysis and is known as data analysis. It does not involve analyst or data analysis does not involve with interpreting the data to make decisions. The main work of data analysis is to aid decision making rather than carry it out. So Power BI simplifies many of the steps in data analysis. So what are the phases in data analysis? These are the phases in data analysis which are data requirement gathering from different sources, data source identification and their management, data cleaning and processing, exploratory data analysis, and data communication. Except first one, data requirement gathering. Power BI can do all things for you except data requirement gathering. It can manage and identify data source, it can clean and process, it can perform EDA, and it can generate reports. By simply handful of clicks we can do all the tasks as a data analyst with the help of Power BI except data requirement gathering. So by all these we can go for the definition of Power BI. What is the definition of Power BI? Power BI is a business analytics service developed by Microsoft. It includes data visualization, business intelligence tools, and reports that allow users to extract insights from the data. So, all reason done. Now, we will go to the features of the Power BI. What are the features of Power BI? Power BI can connect to a vast number of data sources like CSV file, databases, HTML tables, etc. It use UI and query language which is known as M formula language to combine, clean and transform data. Understand? It also used for data modeling and transforming DEX formula language to drive values from raw data. DEX stand for data analysis expression. It's like Excel formula expression. Who are familiar with Microsoft Excel can understand. It has some extension of Microsoft Excel formula expressions. So we can connect to the different sources. So next step is visualization to convey information, and by visualization we can create the reports and can publish them to the cloud. So what we can do from this, we can understand, we can connect to the different data sources, we can transform the data using M language, we can perform some competitions using text language, we can visualize with the aim to convey information, we can visualize different charts, like for example bar charts can convey sales across different categories, but line charts are used for sales over a period of time. By visualizations, we can make or access reports or dashboards, and then we can publish to the cloud. Power BI make it easy to publish dashboards and report with other team members and to stakeholders. So now we will explore the different how different individual can use Power BI. So in this regard, we will go to the components of Power BI. Power BI, first one component is a Power BI desktop. As a data analyst, most of the time you will use Power BI desktop for visualizations for reports. These reports can be published to the Power BI service. So next one component is Power BI service. What is Power BI service? To share and collaborate with other team members, to stakeholders, or to decision makers, we use Power BI service in our organizations or in entire organization, which is known as cloud based service or SAS, SaaS, software as a service, SaaS software. Next one component is Power BI apps, which is who are on the go, can't access to the laptop, or end users can use multiple times Power BI apps to access the visualization what they are conveying. To know that, we can use Power BI mobile apps also. How these components are used? What is the use of these components? These components are used for build visualizations and reports using Power BI desktop after loading the data from various sources. And reports are published to the Power BI service SAS, where they can be viewed, interacted with, and used to create dashboards. Reports and dashboards can be accessed from the mobile apps. Software as a service, which is available on the cloud, and you can host in your organization as SaaS. Reports and dashboards can be accessed from the Power BI mobile apps, which is used to perform well on the mobile apps. What are the components and roles are used by different roles? Which one component is really required? Power BI desktop mostly use data analysts, data engineers, data scientists, and business analysts. Power BI service mostly use business analysts and decision makers. And the Power BI mobile apps mostly use decision makers and stakeholders. If any analyst can't use, uh, should not use mobile apps, what he will do? He has to perform some operation. Then on mobile apps we can't perform. We can only view on mobile apps. And on Power BI service, we can share the data, share the visualization, share the data set on which we are performing. We can share the reports. So we can say this is all about for today for this lecture. We will continue from here. Was all about data analysis with Power BI. What are the advantages? Basically, what components we are using for analysis. Thank you, friends. Thank you so much.